Okay, everybody, so let's talk about day 4's word problem. I want to remind you that it was there were 25 tennis rackets and 36 hockey sticks. How many more hockey sticks are there than tennis rackets? So I know that there are more hockey sticks, and now I need to know how many more were there than tennis rackets. I don't want to know how many in all for sticks and rackets. That's not what it's asking. Wants to know how many more are there for hockey sticks. So I need that in between number, that smaller number that compares them. So I'm going to show you in 2 different strategies how I got the answer. First is kind of the straightforward, I'm going to subtract. So when you subtract, you start with a bigger number. So if I have 36 hockey sticks and I take away the amount of tennis rackets that I have, that should leave me with the leftovers, the leftover hockey sticks that were there. So if I'm going to go to my ones place, so ones and tens, I'm going to always start at my ones place. If I have 6 ones and I take 5 of them away, I'm only left with 1 1. Let's go to the tens place. I have 3 tens, I'm going to take away 2 of them, and I'm left with 1 10. So that means there are 11 more hockey sticks. So I hope y'all got 11. Now I'm going to do it one other way. And you remember when we compare, we can line them up. So if it was 5 hockey sticks and 3 tennis rackets, you would line them up, right? And you would see that there are 2 more. Now, this can still work, but since these are much bigger numbers, we have to think bigger. And when I look at these numbers, I notice that 25, I can get to 25 by counting by 5s. I could also get to 35, which is really close, by counting by 5s. So let me do that. Instead of just one circle for each, let me go ahead and mark this out because I was just showing you how we compare. And I'm going to count by 5s until I reach 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, that takes care of this number. Now my rackets, or my hockey sticks, are 36. So I'm going to count by 5s until I get really close. And I'm going to line it up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I'm at 35. That's really close. I just need 1 more. So I'm just going to put a 1. Now, same thing I did up here, I'm just going to line them up. This 5 matches, 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 matches. Check this out. This is what's left. 5, 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 11 more hockey sticks. See how we got it 2 ways? That's pretty cool. I want to show you something that has nothing to do with the word problem, but just a little trick. When you're working at home and you don't have Face 10 blocks, this is what I did today. I took 3 different colored construction paper and I cut out 100s, I cut out some 10s, which are your longs, and then I cut out some units, some of your ones. So if you ever need to work out problems, place value, anything with comparing, you want to count, just cut out 3 different colored papers to make your 100s, 10s, and 1s. So I thought that was pretty cool. All right, see you later for the challenge, riddle, and writing prompt.